The BJP has lodged a complaint at the Binjorpur police station alleging large-scale irregularities in the distribution of wheat under the block's public supply system. According to the party, 548 quintals of wheat allotted to eligible beneficiaries in 2022 were never distributed. Instead, the BJP claims the stock was misappropriated by the then block supply officer and the president of the Dealers Association. Party leaders say the matter points to a serious lapse in the handling of essential commodities meant for the public and have called for swift corrective action from the administration. The BJP has demanded an immediate and impartial probe into the alleged misappropriation and urged authorities to initiate strict action against whoever is found responsible. BJP leader Niranjan Behuria has said the party expects both accountability and restitution, signalling that they will continue to pursue the issue until a thorough investigation is carried out and responsibility is fixed.
जो मानक माध्यम गम हड़प से मानक ना विधिवत भाव विचार कर आईनगत कार्यानुष्ठान नवा सहित एक वृत्तांतमूलक कार्यानुष्ठान कारण से गम के मान जो हड़प करमी उपभोक्ता मान पाइबे आज साधारण लोकों नेतृत्व नहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी एवं आमर प्रिय नेत्री ममता मल्लिक आह्वान आम समस्त जाइलु।